So we're here in Sligo for the Festival Makers Conference. It's a biennial conference and we're gathering 200 delegates to engage in workshops and presentations and discussions. This particular iteration is really exciting actually because we're gathering delegates from Northern Ireland and Ireland together, so it's an all-Ireland initiative this time.
The theme of this conference is FLUX, and out of that you want to get some ideas around, well, how do we work our way out of continuous flux? And the repeated phrase that's coming up already is collaboration, partnerships, learning exchange, new networks, and just trying to work together a lot more across the whole island of Ireland, across all our festivals.
The whole notion of festival making is really crucial to the Arts Council because obviously the engagement with so many communities all over the country and across so many art forms. So it really is inclusive from that perspective. The call is for everybody and across all communities, in smaller towns, in larger towns and in the bigger areas.
I think since starting a festival you have to be a kind of crazy naive person to start a festival, but we love what we do, and so actually the conference is incredible just for a gathering with like-minded people. Take a moment also to celebrate our wins, which actually we don't do enough, but also to share some of those challenges and I guess take a snapshot of where festivals and that ecology in Ireland are at the moment.